Storyboards are visual blueprints for film scenes. While every storyboard artist might approach their work differently, most storyboards share the following 4 elements. First, panels. Each rectangle shows a moment on screen, like a comic strip for your camera. A lot of the time, a panel is going to represent a shot. However, some storyboard artists use single panels to communicate multiple shots, or multiple panels to illustrate one complex shot. That's why it's better to look at each panel as simply a moment on screen. Second, labels. These help organize your shots with things like shot numbers, scene titles, or even a quick mini description. Third, drawings. They show what the camera sees, including characters, background, props, framing, camera angles, and movement. A great storyboard drawing doesn't have to look pretty or detailed, but it has to quickly communicate what that moment should eventually look like on screen. And finally, annotations. These little notes help explain action, dialogue, or camera moves when needed. Sometimes they're super detailed, and other times they're skipped altogether if the drawings already communicate the moment perfectly. Want to learn how to storyboard like a pro? Check out our storyboarding article and more at careersinfilm.com.